So before moving to the like for like comparison, we will do a tagging stage, or we will add some tags to the current table. So in this case, we have some tags already, but then we don't have the we want to we want to focus on the top region, and then uh, top region, and then top cohort, and then top store as well. So we need some tagging. So this one is just the region only. We have the region only. So actually, I want to show you before moving to the tagging. I want to show you there is one thing here called the cohort FY, uh, which is uh, which is just to show you the contribution by cohort in this case. So the sale and COGS, and then everything else in FY22, FY23, and then FY. You can see here FY24 only start to contribute on the sale on or from 24 onwards, and then 25 also the same thing. So this one is the quick before we move to the other topic. I want to show you that how quick we can turn from the region the view by region to the view by cohort. You can, if you want to do by region and cohort, you can also do in this view, and I will show you the another way to expand this view. So you go to the click on the empty space, go to the visualization here, and then click on this type, and then change this view height to 1000. So it will give you more space at the bottom here to break it down by cohort and region here. Okay, so in here you can actually expand the rows by each region and then cohort, and you can also change the layout to the tabular so that you have the view like this. Okay, so you see here you can break it down by region, and in each region you have the cohort. Okay, so that's the uh, view on this one. Now, if you want to see uh, the contribution of the top stores, then how can we do this? Let me copy this one to another view here, another page here, and then I put the center code in here, so you can see the this is the contribution by store, so you store by store, but then I don't want to see everybody in here because it's too big, and then I put the region away. uh, it's it's like a lot of numbers here, so hold on, uh, let me put the the account back to the. Okay, so there are a lot of stores and a lot of numbers here, but I only focus on the top store and the top region. Then how can I do it? So this is actually the main focus of this stage, which is tagging stage. Uh, so you will go to the uh, the guy again, and then by store you can rank the store in here. So new modeling and new table, and then you have the ranking table by store. In this case, I I rank on this table, but then because in the target table I name it unused, so we have to change the name a little bit, and then I have the cell FY25 to rank. The same thing with the the same thing with the cohort and region as well. So if I want to rank by region, I copy the same thing uh, here, and then I name it to region, and then in here I group by region. Sorry, I have to change this one first, and then the region will come out. And then I have the ranking also, the same thing. That's the region. I can do the same thing with cohort as well. So I make another table, and then I copy the same thing, 3 cohort, and then I change this one to X, and then cohort. Cohort in this case is there's no name, but they name it like center opening, so it's the same thing, but the naming is different. So after this exercise, if you switch to the table view, you can see here the ranking table. Number one will give you the ranking by store from the biggest to the smallest by FY25. The region, there are 4 of them, and then Hanoi will be the biggest one. If you want to make the number easy for you to read, then you click on the comma here. Cohort, also ranking the same thing, and then now you only focus on the top. You only need to tag on the top. Okay, so let us go back to the the account here, and then you can see the tagging is here already. So you can go back to the POS here, and then you copy the tagging over. Okay, so I think the ranking of the chord will number 3, and then this one is number 2. So if you can change this now, this ranking here in one by one here, but you can change the table here as well. So you can see here, oh, this one, how about I change this one to cohort, R2 to cohort, and R3 to region, then it also works. So this one I will change to R2 3, and this one will cohort will be R2, and then this one will work. Okay, so you now you see. So let me show you the before and then after, and then you can. So this is before. You have the until cohort and FY here, and then this is after. So you have rank by center, rank by cohort. Okay, so that's the first step for ranking. So in this case, you can see the ranking for region already. So let me show you how it works in this view. So for example, in this case, instead of showing the center here, I will show you the ranking of the center. And then again, I will expand this view to the tabular mode like this, and then it will show me the ranking in here and then the center in here. Now, but I also don't want this is good already because I have the ranking from the biggest to the smallest. Let me scroll it down all the way down to here because everybody is like 1.4 in 25 already. So I also don't know if my number is good or not. Okay, so you can see here 1.3. So the top one will be 1.4, and then the other one 1.3. Now this one is good already, but then I just want to display only the top one. Then I need a second view to select only the top store. So this is the second step in here. You can see I copy this one over the tagging here, and then I return number 2. Okay, so basically I think I don't need this guy as of now. Later, if I have to, then I'll copy over later. But as of now, I only need the top center, top region, and then top chord. And then you can see here for the center, I can do top 10 and top 20. Okay, so you can see top 10 by 10. And I use the Pareto cut as well in here. So by copying this one to the tagging, you see I have more column in this case. And then I will go back to this view and I compare line for line how these stacking column work for you. Okay, so in here, if I want to show only the top center, I will uh, replace this one in here. Replace the top center in here, and done. Okay, so this one 953, which is here, and then oh my God, it's a lot of 5338, which is 5338 here, and then so on, and then the rest it will cut for me. So because of the logic here, so you can see the logic. The logic is if the ranking is below 10 and below, then I will show the center code. Otherwise, I will show others. So this will show me the cutting here. So the 20 also do the same thing. So let me show you the how to expand this page and then show you the top 20 in this view. So going back to click on the empty space, go to the visualization formatting and then canvas setting here. You go to the customize and then show this one about 1000. So it will go, so it will show you all the um, rows in this case, and then you can replace the top 20 by center in this case. Okay, there you go. So you have all the 20 here. Actually, this view is not important anymore. So I will collapse it a little bit, and I have more space in here to show my top 20. Okay, and then I will show you the Pareto cut in this case as well. So in this case, I will duplicate and replace the Pareto cut in here for the top 20, top 10, and then there we go. So this is a Pareto cut for the top 10. Let me expand this view to add more rows in this canvas. So how about 100 case in here? And then I will show you the top uh, 20 as well. For the top 20, I need to remove this Pareto 10 and then I replace it by Pareto 20 like this. Okay, so there you go. Mm, so maybe if I want to organize this one a little bit, I will do the Pareto in front. Pareto in front, and then I will move this one at the bottom because it's not quite important. And then although sometimes it's useful to set to display everything, but it's too much, then you cannot check anymore. So for the checking or FDD purposes, then this view is not quite very useful because it's displayed too much for you. Okay, so now you have uh, the the top view for many things already, including the Pareto view, the top 10 and the top 20. So let me show you how to put this one from the center to the cohort. So I only need to multiply this, duplicate this one page, top cohort, and then this one top region, sorry, top store or center cohort, and then I replace everything from center here to cohorts. Okay, so let us start with 10, replace, and done. 20, replace, and done. Okay, so top 20 cohort. Same thing here. Uh, top 10 cohort, and done. And then this one, top 20 cohort, top 20. Uh, I don't have the top 20 by cohort here somehow, but but this is not a big deal because I just come here and then I copy the same thing in here. So you can see top 10 by cohort, I copy the whole thing here, and then I change this one by 20, and then copy this one by 20, and then done. So this just show you like how easy, if you know how to copy and paste DAX, and how easy you can fix the situation. Uh, and then if you do in Excel, you have to fix a lot of things in just to introduce the top 20. Okay, so cohort, and then done. And the last thing here, which is the rank by center, and then cohort also. So I do the same thing. So the first thing is rank by cohort, sorry, rank by cohort. And then the second thing is to do the center opening, which is the cohort also. Oh, sorry. I think I have to undo because I changed the wrong view. This one is supposed to be the view. So rank by center, and then center code. So I will do rank by cohort, and then cohort, which is the center opening here. Okay, so now you see you need to expand this view by row already. So you can. So March 25 will be the top cohort in this one, and then uh, similarly in the other views. Okay, so after this, hopefully after this you can follow the steps, and then you can set up the view on your own. So the key thing is you have to add the tagging columns here, or the ranking columns here, and then you show only the top items, not everything. So only the top item in this step, and then you replace the original view from here to this top view in here.